In recent years, discussions around spirituality and consciousness have focused on a profound transformation called the 5D shift. Many believe that humanity is in the midst of a significant transition, moving from the third dimension, 3D, of consciousness to the fifth dimension, 5D. This shift represents more than just a change in perception. It marks a fundamental elevation in how we experience reality, relationships, and life itself. But what exactly is the 5D shift? How do you know if you are transitioning to a higher dimension of consciousness? And how can you align yourself with this transformation? Let's dive into the world of 5D consciousness, explore the signs, and understand how this shift can profoundly change your life. What is the 5D shift? The 5D shift refers to a collective and individual leap from the third dimension, 3D, to the fifth dimension, 5D, of consciousness. These dimensions are not physical locations, but rather states of awareness and vibrational frequencies that shape how we perceive reality. 3D consciousness. In 3D consciousness, reality is heavily tied to physicality, separation, fear, ego, and linear thinking. It's a dimension where people identify with their material possessions, social status, and individual accomplishments. Challenges like jealousy, control, judgment, and competition dominate the 3D experience. 4D consciousness. The fourth dimension, 4D, acts as a bridge between 3D and 5D. Here, people begin to recognize their connection to higher realms, explore spirituality, and question old belief systems. The 4D experience includes increased intuition, self-awareness, and the ability to manifest desires more consciously. 5D consciousness. In the fifth dimension, the vibration is significantly higher. The key characteristics of 5D consciousness include unity, unconditional love, compassion, and interconnectedness. In 5D, duality and separation dissolve, and people experience reality through a lens of ownness and higher purpose. Signs you are transitioning to 5D consciousness. Are you experiencing the 5D shift? Here are some clear indicators that you're transitioning to a higher dimension of consciousness. 1. Increased intuition and synchronicities. You may notice that your intuition is sharper than ever. You might receive insights, gut feelings, or inner knowing that guide you in the right direction. Along with this, synchronicities, meaningful coincidences, happen more frequently. These are signs that you're aligning with the flow of the universe. 2. Emotional healing and release. As you shift to 5D, you might go through intense emotional releases. Old wounds, traumas, and patterns that no longer serve you may resurface for healing. This can be challenging, but it's a necessary step to shed the lower frequencies of fear, anger, and resentment. 3. Feeling detached from materialism. You may find yourself less attached to material possessions, societal expectations, or ego-driven desires. In 5D, the focus shifts towards experiences, personal growth, and connection rather than acquiring wealth or status. 4. Heightened empathy and compassion. You begin to feel a deeper sense of empathy, compassion, and understanding for others. The concept of "we are all one" becomes a lived experience, and you find yourself drawn to acts of kindness, service, and community. 5. Changes in relationships. Some relationships may naturally fall away as your vibration changes. You'll be drawn to people who share your higher frequency and resonate with your new consciousness. Old, toxic relationships may no longer fit, and you might feel the need to let them go. 6. Experiencing timelessness. In 5D, the linear concept of time begins to blur. You might experience moments where time feels fluid or irrelevant. This is because in higher dimensions, the focus is on the present moment, where past, present, and future coexist. 7. Inner peace and joy. A profound sense of inner peace, joy, and contentment becomes more consistent. Even amid challenges, you maintain a centered, balanced state. You find joy in simple things and feel a connection to the universe's greater harmony. 8. Vivid dreams and astral travel. Your dream world may become more vivid, meaningful, and symbolic. You might experience astral travel, lucid dreaming, or communication with guides and higher beings. These experiences reflect your expanding consciousness. 9. Cravings for authenticity. You seek greater authenticity in your life. Whether it's in your work, friendships, or lifestyle choices, you desire to express your true self without masks or pretense. Living in alignment with your soul becomes a priority. How to align with the 5D shift. As you recognize these signs, you may wonder how to fully embrace and accelerate your transition into 5D consciousness. Here are some practical steps to help you align with this higher frequency. 1. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness keeps you grounded in the present moment, helping you tune into your higher self. Meditation allows you to quiet the mind and raise your vibrational frequency, making it easier to connect with 5D energy. 2. Embrace self-love and compassion. Self-love is a cornerstone of 5D consciousness. Embrace your flaws, practice self-care, and treat yourself with kindness. When you love yourself unconditionally, you raise your vibration and attract more loving experiences. 3. Release fear and limiting beliefs. Identify and let go of fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs that hold you in 3D consciousness. Affirmations, therapy, and journaling can help you shift to a mindset of abundance, trust, and possibility. 4. Connect with nature. Nature operates at a pure high frequency. Spending time in natural environments helps you align with the Earth's energies and supports your transition to 5D walks in the forest, time by the ocean, or grounding exercises can be profoundly healing. 5. Trust your intuition. Your intuition is your internal guide to 5D living. Trust those subtle nudges and insights. Even if they don't always make logical sense, intuition connects you to the flow of the universe and helps you make decisions aligned with your highest good. 6. Focus on gratitude. Gratitude elevates your vibration. By focusing on what you're thankful for, you align with the energy of abundance and joy. Make a daily habit of listing things you appreciate, no matter how small. 7. Let go of judgment. Judgment keeps you anchored in 3D thinking. Practice acceptance and understanding, both towards yourself and others. In 5D, there is no separation, only unity. 8. Seek community. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who support your spiritual growth. Join groups, attend workshops, or engage with online communities that resonate with 5D principles. Shared experiences can amplify your transition. The impact of the 5D shift on humanity. The 5D shift is not just an individual experience, it's a collective awakening. As more people elevate their consciousness, the energy of the planet shifts toward unity, peace, and compassion. We are witnessing global changes in how people view society, equality, the environment, and spirituality. This transformation offers hope for a new world where love, cooperation, and higher consciousness guide humanity's future. By embracing the 5D shift, each of us contributes to this collective evolution. The transition to 5D consciousness is a journey of self-discovery, healing, and transformation. It invites you to shed old patterns, embrace higher frequencies, and live in alignment with your highest self. By recognizing the signs, practicing mindfulness, and committing to authenticity, you can navigate this shift with grace and purpose. As you move towards 5D, remember that you are not alone. The universe supports your journey, and countless others are walking this path with you. Trust the process, stay open-hearted, and let the energy of higher consciousness guide you. If this exploration resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on your spiritual journey. Your higher self is waiting. Are you ready to embrace the shift?